Have you ever felt like there is just not enough hours in the day? Emails piling up, reports unfinished, meetings left and right. And you're wondering, how do people actually stay productive? Well, in this YouTube video, I will show you how to use AI to boost productivity with 5 practical tools and tips you can start using today. And here's the thing, one of these tools is probably sitting on your laptop right now, but you're not using it to its full potential. Stick around to the end and I will show you exactly how. I'm Austin Chisom, and on this channel we keep it real about growth, from self-improvement, personal development and career success. I will share the tools you need to level up at work and in life. If you're ready to grow into your best self and finally get to the top of your career or business, subscribe and turn on your notifications. Let's make it happen together. Before we dive into the tools, let's answer the big question: what is AI and why does it matter for productivity? AI, or artificial intelligence, simply means machines that can think or predict like humans. But here's the magic: AI doesn't just get tired, distracted, or stuck in meetings that go nowhere. So when you use AI at work, whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, you are basically adding a smart assistant to your team. But here is the catch: not all AI tools are equal. Some save you hours, others waste your time. So let's go through 5 tools that actually move the needle for you. Let's start with something we all hate: writing reports, emails, and summaries. This is where tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI shine. Instead of spending 3 hours drafting your performance report, you can ask AI, summarize this sales data into a 1-page report for my manager. Now, I know what you're thinking. Won't it sound robotic? Here's the trick: always edit the output in your own voice. Use AI as your first draft assistant, not your final answer. Later in this video, I will show you how AI can actually read your emails and sort them for you. More on this later. How many hours do you lose scheduling meetings, going back and forth? Does Tuesday 3 p.m. work? Tools like Motion or Clockwise use AI to auto-schedule your calendar. They can scan your availability, find focus time, and move meetings around without you lifting a finger. Imagine reclaiming 5 to 10 hours a week just by letting AI be your personal assistant. That's time you could spend learning new skills or actually finishing your projects. Raise your hand if you've ever left a meeting thinking, wait, what were the action points again? This is where tools like Otter and Fireflies come in. They record, transcribe, and even summarize your meetings into clear action steps. Instead of wasting time rewriting notes, you open your app and boom, everything is there. And yes, this means you can finally focus during meetings instead of being the note taker. But what about managing distractions? That's where tool number 4 comes in. We live in the age of constant notifications. WhatsApp, Slack, LinkedIn, emails, all fighting for your attention. AI tools like Freedom or Rescue Time track your digital habits and automatically block distractions when you need to focus. Think of it as an accountability partner that keeps you on track, even when your willpower doesn't. Talking about reading your emails and sorting them for you. Here's the tool that blew my mind: Superhuman, or Gmail's AI filters. These tools literally read your emails for you, sort out spam, prioritize important messages, and even write replies. So instead of 200 unread emails giving you anxiety, you start your day with 10 important ones, neatly organized. That's not just productivity, that's peace of mind. So here you have it, 5 AI tools and tips to boost productivity in 2025. So here's the truth. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to make you better, faster, sharper, and free up your time for the work that really matters. So let's do a quick recap. Here is what we've covered so far. Use AI tools for writing reports. Let AI schedule your time. Record and transcribe your meetings. Block distractions. And then master your inbox. But here is the real question for you. Which of these tools will save you the most time right now? That's the one you should start with. Drop your answer in the comments. I read each and every one of them personally. And if you want more videos like this, don't stop here. Watch my video on how to create your own productivity system that actually works. It's time you stop copying what works for others and start creating what works for you. It will help you stack up AI tools with smart daily habits. Also subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything. Let's grow smarter, not busier.